Today we're going to be going over a Swing Katana snap hyper and why it's good to know. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 7th hyper kick for level 2.6 and going over why it's useful. And before continuing this video, I recommend you have your pop shuriken false hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. And now we're moving on to the snap hypers. So a snap hyper is a term that I kind of just use myself. Nobody else uses it. In mainstream tricking, the terminology is just a hyper. But you know me, I like breaking down things just a little bit more than normal, I guess, I don't know. And a snap hyper is exactly the same thing as a false hyper, but we're gonna be landing with both legs at the same time instead of just one after the 180-degree rotation. You can kind of think about this as like a half gyro. And this one's good to know because it's going to get you used to bringing that kicking leg up and then learning how or understanding how to bring it back down super fast so that both legs can land at the same time. And being able to bring that kicking leg up and then back down super fast is what all hyper kicks are about, especially if you want to have like a really good 540 or something. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking at your target. You're going to bring your swing leg up, throwing your inside crescent kick, hop around 180 degrees, landing with both legs at the same time in a backside stance. And the only other variation or way you can do this is with a spin in front of it. Obviously, since it's a move where we land with both feet at the same time, we cannot do a follow through out of it. As for tips, just like in the false hyper swing katana, you want to make sure that when you start that you're actually separating your legs a little bit. It makes it a little bit easier for you to bring that swing leg up. So yeah. And obviously if you do not have your swing katana false hyper, you're gonna wanna get that first. So click on that tutorial right there, get that, and then come back and try this one. Or you can leave me a comment down below and I can help you out. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz, have a great weekend.